Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be filming this minty, delicious green eye. So I have been wanting to play with the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty, and I've really wanted to play with this shade here. So I figured today would be a good day to venture out and play with color. I really like the way it turned out. I think it's really fun and pretty. And if you're wondering, I did use a gel liner in a mint shade, and this is by Tarte Cosmetics, just to create a wing. And I didn't want to go in with a black because I wanted it to just kind of be very uniform and flowy, but I wanted that really precise eye. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's go. Alright guys, so I have already primed my face using the Super Goop Glow Recipe SPF 40. That is the only thing I have on my face, and I use my Laying Low paint pot on my lids. So I have been in the mood to do a mint green look and also a lilac look. Today we're going mint. So I'm going to take this with a small flat brush, and I'm going to use this as a base. So I'm just going to take this. So today is day 6 of the quarantine for us, and it's gotten, well, for me it's a little easier because I now have my laptop and I can film without it. I'm telling you guys, I would have gone crazy. So it's crazy. I'm not really gonna dive too much into the actual situation and coronavirus because, well, we know what it is, and this should be your moment to just watch this tutorial and not have to think about what's going on, right? But I have some plans in terms of what I'm going to be filming for you guys, and I have been organizing and cleaning like crazy. It's what I've been doing to kind of keep myself occupied. So I'm trying to get my makeup room ready because I have been telling you guys I'd film my tour, and that's what's on my agenda. That's one of the videos I really want to get done before we actually go back to work. To set this, I'm just going to take a little bit of powder. This is my Makeup Forever foundation, and I'm just going to go over it. I know it sounds kind of crazy to put a powder over it, but the reason why I'm doing this is because I just applied a gel liner to my lid, and I want to make sure that it's nice and dry before I apply anything else to it, because then it will look patchy. So today we are using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I love this palette so much, and I wanted it badly because I'm like, it inspires me, it's great, and it does, but I just haven't really jumped into it. So today we're going to be using this color here, and I'm going to take the same flat brush I used to apply the gel liner, and I'm actually going to just take the clean side and then pat, yes, this color all over my lid. I've played with this color a little bit on my own without really taking the necessary steps to make this color pop, and I will tell you guys that if I hadn't put that mint shadow or base under it, it wouldn't look as vivid. It is pretty sheer. It's a beautiful color, but it does need a little bit of help if you want it to be very vibrant. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take that same color and just buff that into the crease. And as you guys can see, even like taking this fluffy brush is really shearing it out. So I'm just going to buff and press some of that pigment back. So I'm trying to figure out a way to make my videos shorter for you guys. So I'm going to just do one eye and then do the other eye off camera, and then also moving forward I'll tell you guys what I'm applying on my lips, but I won't actually include the footage because it's just not necessary. You guys know how to apply lipstick. All right, baby dolls. So this is what it looks like. I actually ended up taking the Mint liner, and this is by Tarte Cosmetics. This is in the shade Mint. And I did a wing just to tie everything together. I didn't want to use a black because I want to just keep everything really uniform. And again, the goal is to create a mint look. So I wanted to just keep everything in the same color. So I'm going to take my Born This Way concealer in Golden, and I'm going to apply this under my eye, and I'm going to use the Dose of Colors in Medium Tan, which is shade 122. And for those of you that are new, bienvenidos a mi canal. Thank you for being here and spending some time with me. I appreciate you guys. Also, my shades are listed down below, and I know that some of you guys are always asking me to post like the products I use, but I've never been good at it. And part of it is that my son just, I'm lucky to film. I'm lucky to have some time to sit with you guys and put this video together, and I can't push it. So sorry. It's just, yeah, it's too much for me. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my foundation, and I'll let you guys see what that looks like, but I won't include the entire footage. But I know it's helpful to see what products look like on the skin, because I do that. Whenever I'm looking to buy a foundation, I'm not sure what shade to get. I like to watch people's videos and see how the color looks on someone's skin and base my selection on that. And as you guys can tell, it's a really pretty match. Okay guys, I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder, which I have been loving again, and I'm gonna use that to bake. I'm working on getting you guys closer so that you can really see what I'm doing, and I'm playing with things. So if there's something that I could improve on, or something that you guys would like to suggest, please do so. I am not offended by feedback, and I know that the people on this channel are very kind and sweet and supportive, and I love you guys. Well, some of you. I'm kidding. I'm going to take a powder brush and just dust this off. So at this point, you guys should have already seen the video of my friend whose son is in the hospital, and he's still in the hospital. And it's really sad because she had support at one point, because there was volunteers and people who have gone through a similar experience in the hospital. And now because of coronavirus, obviously volunteers are not allowed, and she's finding herself alone, limited in contact and communication, and it's hard. It's really hard on her. I think about her a lot. I would say stalk her a lot. And as I'm sitting here doing my makeup, I'm thinking about her and our dates before kids, our dates after kids, and just what they look like. And we always found time to take care of ourselves and each other. I use my Anastasia Cappuccino bronzer, so it's frustrating for me not to be able to offer her that right now. I'm going to take the Sephora Cappuccino liner, and I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. And I don't want this look to be cray. Like, I want it to be pretty wearable, so that's why I'm going in with a brown. However, if you want, you can go in with a mint, a teal, you can totally do that. But I just want to keep it a little bit more wearable and balanced. So I'm just going to take this and drag it across. And this pencil is super creamy and easy to apply. I thought it was going to be a little too creamy. You know how sometimes if they're too creamy, then they get messy. And nope, this is perfect. Now, where the fun continues is I'm going to take this gel liner by Marc Jacobs. Seafoam, it's a seafoam green. So I'm going to take this and apply it in my waterline. And this is where we're going to tie the top in with the bottom. I remember when these came out, I used to play with them all the time. This color in particular always called my name. It was just one of those shades where I'm like, oh, I want it so bad, but I couldn't really get myself to purchase it right away because there's other colors that I'd get more use out of. And then finally, I got it and I love it. Alright, so I'm going to take my Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara and hit the lower lashes. Now, for my blush, I'm going to be using Grand by MAC. It looks like this. It's so beautiful. And I am going to use the same brush I used to apply my bronzer, and I'm just going to hit my cheeks. Blushes are stunning. They are beautiful. They blend into the skin seamlessly and they wear forever. Like, I'm really impressed by the wear time. So I'm going to take a little bit of this liner. The liner is called Introvert. So I'm going to take Introvert and I'm just going to hit the inner corner just right on the outside here. For my lips, I'm going to use Anytime Caffeine Lip Pencil by Makeup Forever, and I'm going to be using this Uncensored 2 Gloss by Artist Couture. I was going to say Mac Daddy. Alright guys, so here is the final look. I'm going to give you guys a second lip option. It's also a nude, and I'm going to do Lisa Eldridge Velvet Fawn. Yes, I love the way this looks. I felt like the gloss was a little too brown for what I wanted. So I've opted for a more neutral lip, and I'm using the same liner. So this is my final look, which I love. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below letting me know what some videos you'd like to see on my channel are. And subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.